Precision meets beauty in every drop. Our GSS 80 milliliter Skincare Essence fully automatic filling line is designed for brands that prioritize consistency, accuracy, and elegance in their production. Designed to handle delicate cosmetic formulations, this system ensures every bottle is filled with perfection. No waste, no variation. Here's what makes it stand out. High-speed filling system maintains accuracy up to plus or minus 0.05%, even for viscous or sensitive liquids. Smart servo control delivers smooth, bubble-free filling for a premium product finish. Integrated labeling and coding streamlines your workflow by applying labels and date codes automatically. Hygienic design, built in stainless steel to meet GMP cosmetic production standards. From my experience working with global beauty brands, automation like this doesn't just save time, it elevates your brand image. When your packaging looks as refined as your product feels, customers notice. This line isn't just about filling bottles, it's about building trust, accelerating production, and delivering luxury consistency at scale. Ready to bring smart automation to your skincare production? Contact us to learn more and see how GSS helps beauty brands like yours achieve effortless precision.